don't cast your pearls before swine. Sa Bible yan, di ba?
Right.
Huwag mong ibigay yung perlas mo sa baboy. Kasi ang gusto ng baboy, kaning baboy.
Yep.
So if people are not listening, you stop talking.
Yes.
You don't value yourself on people na hindi naman willing pakinggan. Pero at some point, sinasagot ko rin naman you guys have to understand that we are all coming from something na kaya namin sinasabi na kaya nyo rin kasi may pinagdaanan din kaming amin.
Doon kami galing.
Meron kasing tinatawag na toxic positivity Hindi mo kaya ko yan, hindi nga kaya
Oh.
Or kulang sa skill set Or
Yes.
kulang sa mindset or kulang sa
Right.
education about business
Yes.
So may mga gray areas yan.
Yes.
Pero we are here creating value for people. We are here to actually discover the truth.
Yes.
And in pursuit of the truth, may mga part na masakit na kailangang marinig ng tao.
Totoo yan.
One example is people who are usually insecure, they tend to create stories in their mind
Right.
to excuse themselves na kaya mo nakuha yan kasi ganito, kasi ganyan.